It's Workin' Wednesday, 8th graders. This is your video instruction for your Schoology homework. In the book, we're on page 356 to 359, still in Topic 7, Lesson 2. I'm going to explain exactly what I want you to do for your homework, but please remember your homework should be submitted on Schoology. If there's an issue submitting, get in touch with me. We'll figure out an alternative, but please try Schoology first. All right, guys, so how do I get to this assignment? Well, log on to Schoology, go to our science class. Again, you go to courses, my courses, and then you got to find our science class. Click on it. Should look something like this. I need you to click on materials. It's the first tab, and I need you to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, and it'll look like this. And I want you to click on week 7 notes so that you can do your homework. And a friendly reminder that this was your work from last Friday, week 6 quiz. Make sure that you are keeping up so you're not doing a bunch of stuff at work at once and making yourself overwhelmed. Okay, so what is our actual homework for today? I want you to take notes on week 7, video lesson 1 and 2, or textbook pages 356 to 359. The video lessons and the textbook have the same information. So I personally think the video lessons are easier to take notes from, but if you want to go back and just use page 356 to 359, that's fine. It's your choice. You have to decide what's better for me, listening to the videos or reading the textbook. And the notes must look like my example, and I'm going to explain that in the next slide, what I'm looking for. Actually, I lied, 2 slides from now, because the next slide is the requirements for your homework. So you need notes on a separate sheet of paper. So what you're going to do is take your notes, take a picture on your phone, and then submit that through Schoology. I need you to include 3 main ideas in your notes, and they must be global winds, Coriolis effect, and global wind patterns. Also, for each main idea, I need you to write 3 sentences. They can be short sentences, but they must be a complete idea. So I'm not looking for an essay. I'm not looking for a bunch of paragraphs. I'm just looking for sentences that are short and sweet, but make sense. And the notes must look like my example, which is truly on the next slide. So let's go take a look at that. Oh, no, yeah, okay. Friendly reminder, work must be submitted on school. Okay, so you're going to take your sheet of paper. I don't care if it's loose leaf paper. I don't care if it's graph paper. I don't care if it's pink paper, whatever you got. You can do it in a notebook and just snap a picture. First thing, put your name on it. Second, I want you to title it so I know what I'm looking at, week 7 notes. And then I want you to draw a vertical line a little less than halfway down the paper. So it should look like this, okay? So imagine you're folding your paper in half, but just do a little less than half and draw this line all the way down from the paper. All right, now what I want you to do with this line is on the left, I want you to write main ideas. And to the right of this line, I want you to write details. Okay, and then please remember the 3 main ideas that you need to include: global winds, Coriolis effect, and global wind patterns. And remember, for details, I am requiring 3 for each. So I'm going to give you a freebie. So the first detail for global winds can be winds that blow across the globe. Okay, it's short, it's sweet, but it's a complete idea. And it's true. So you are more than welcome to use that detail for your first idea, but the rest you're going to have to find out from either the video lessons or the book. So I'm looking forward to seeing your notes, and any questions, get in contact with me, and I hope you guys have a good day.